Morning. We just woke up and we're gonna go get some breakfast now. Or actually brunch. It's about 11 o'clock.
We're starving. We haven't eaten since Cinnamons yesterday.
So now we're gonna go get some Indian food. You know, we've had a lot of Indian, we've tried different, Indian buffets. Like around like Los Angeles, Long Beach,
Even Bay Area.
Like San Jose, San Francisco. And this one that we're going to right now is probably like our favorite. It's in Las Vegas and it's called
Delhi
Indian Cuisine. Yep. So
we're super excited.
Yep.
Super hungry.
Excited. So we'll post another review when we get there.
See you then. We're in the elevator again, going down our 30 flights of stairs, walking to the car.
There's something about elevator music that's so comforting. I feel like dancing, but not.
It's very like 80s-ish. 80s? Yeah?
Love it. Okay, I'm ready to start the day. Come back to our car. Home sweet car. Conveniently parked right in front. Here's our car. So we're walking to Delhi Indian Cuisine. It doesn't look very impressive from outside, but it's actually pretty legit in terms of like the food itself. It's actually very good, very flavorful, and all the items are on point. Usually,
Have a large selection.
Yeah.
Curries, tandoori chicken.
Right next to a nail place. There's a lot of nail places out here. So we're finally here. We just got our food at Delhi Indian Palace. Yep. Let's look at Angie's plate. She has samosa, some tandoori chicken, some
The butter chicken.
butter chicken. That's very good. So just gonna give it a quick bite. See how she likes it.
The butter chicken sauce is so good. Oh, it's so warm. The flavor is just, this is actually better than the last time we came here.
Is there like more flavor? Last time was good too. It was like about like a year ago.
And it tastes like fresher too, which is really good.
As you can see, it's pretty empty right now, but they just opened a few minutes ago. But
You have to do it, and it's so good. So the naan just came out. It's fresh, just out of the oven. We got the garlic naan. Oh, this is so exciting. Look at that naan.
So we're actually headed out right now to look at some Christmas lights at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway drag race circuit, whatever it's called. We're gonna go look at lights and Motor Speedway. Angie wanted me to look at her fashion for tonight, her selection, and she's looking mighty spiffy, if I may say.
Danny looks mighty spiffier.
You think so?
You guys see what I mean? That jacket is so stunning. Hot damn.
Thank you.
Oh, I wonder if they closed it.
So we're looking for Starbucks right now, and it appears that the Starbucks may be closed. You know, as always, we always need a we need our coffee. Is it closed? Let's go see if it's closed. There's a lot of construction. Oh yeah, it's closed. Sorry, whatever. Let's go back.
So here we go. We are starting the Christmas Lights Festival at Las Vegas Motor Speedway.
This is so lit. Get it?
look at this.
It looks 3D though.
Yeah. Is that supposed to be King Kong or Jesus?
Oh no, that's like the abominable snowman.
Oh.
Wow, look at this, you guys. It's coming. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's the abominable snowman.
Is it abominable or abominable?
Abominable? Like,
Wow, this one's like,
wow.
this is psychedelic, right? I don't know how many words to describe this. It's like a psychedelic candy cane. It's turned into a rainbow.
It's a psychedelic candy
It's like
cane
we're
rainbow.
going inside a rainbow.
Oh wow.
Okay, now we're in a rave. We're in a candy cane rave.
We just need some trance music going on right now.
This is so
Christmas
cool.
style. Look at this, you guys.
You can like literally taste and feel the
Oh
rainbow.
my gosh.
Wow.
Oh
I'm getting
my
a seizure
gosh.
now.
Seriously. But it's well worth it.
Yeah, it's like a crispy seizure.
Well worth it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back to us, guys. So that was the last tunnel. Really recommend it. If you guys can just see us, like we feel like kids again. Christmas lights are always our favorite part of Christmas, and this is well worth it. You have to come. It's literally just $20 per car, so pack as many people as possible, and you guys will